Man, I really want a s'more, but it's pouring rain outside right now. See? Oh, if only I can make a s'more. Oh, look! My mom's making a s'more in the oven.
Wonder how this works.
Yes.
Let's see. Stay here with me while we do it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's starting to smoke. That's how you know it's starting. Now you got to keep an eye on it. It will. If you look, it's starting to brown.
Oh gosh, that's very.
Just a little bit. And in a minute, I'll flip it, and then it'll all go really fast. See, it's starting to see it's brown.
Yeah.
So flip it.
Yeah.
And then you flip it.
Sorry, let me move the camera away.
Okay, and then here, almost done.
But I was talking to the other viewers. Oh, hey, Mom.
Yes.
Oh, when do you think you're going to get to the other videos that I have?
Pretty soon.
Okay.
I'm just curious to see what it looks like.
Okay, and that's it. See? S'more in the oven.
No.
Broil it.
What?
Stop the video now.
Okay.